Hi, this is Jahangir. I have a full video on this question. How do I effectively teach synchronously online? In this video, I will focus on teaching tools for my second pedagogy, like face-to-face classes. In my online classes, I solve problems and write notes on a whiteboard. For this pedagogy, we could use Google Slides, Zoom, Jamboard, and Wacom tablet or tablet with a stylus. In this video, I will show you using a computer, iPad, and Zoom how we could solve problems and write notes in real time. Let's get started. First, start a Zoom meeting and share your slides as I am doing here. Let's go to the next slide. Suppose we like to solve this problem. Now we need a whiteboard. We have tons of options for this. Here I use an iPad as a whiteboard. Now I am going to show you how to share an iPad. To show you better for this part of the video, I use Screencastify. I could share an iPad either using AirPlay or cable. If I use the AirPlay option, here are the steps we need to follow. If we use the cable option, here are the steps. Now my iPad is connected with Zoom. We could go back and forth on the iPad and computer. Now I am on my computer. Now I come back to Zoom. We could download a whiteboard from the App Store. I am using Show Me, which is free. Now you can see I can draw graphs, write notes, and solve problems. I hope you did enjoy the video and got ideas to incorporate into teaching. Thanks for watching this video.